Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn on Set Schedule on Stash. If you don't have a Stash account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $20 of bonus stock after depositing cash. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for AutoStash. Click on Manage AutoStash. Now, you will see a section for Set Schedule. You can automatically set aside funds for your Stash investment accounts using Set Schedule. You can decide how much money you want to save, and you can set up a saving schedule that suits you. You can also allocate funds to your cash balance, your preferred ETFs, or assets. To proceed, click on Create Schedule. First, select how often you'd like to transfer. Click on the option you wish to select. Then click on Continue. Next, select the transfer date. Then click on Continue. After that, choose your investments and amount. Enter the amount on the field beside the asset. Then click on Continue. Lastly, review the schedule details. If everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you turn on Set Schedule on Stash. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.